Top 2 credit cards to rebuild your credit with no hard inquiry. 1. Introduction: Rebuilding credit without the hassle. In this video, I'll show you the top 2 credit cards that can help you rebuild your credit without requiring a hard inquiry. You don't need to rely on cards that come with annual fees or low credit limits, like Credit One or First Premier. These are cards you can use to effectively rebuild your credit without the extra cost or risk of limiting your credit profile. Stick with me until the end to discover my favorite card for beginners and how to make sure your credit rebuild is successful. Footnote: this section introduces the concept of rebuilding credit without relying on problematic cards that come with high fees or poor limits. 2. Why avoid low-quality credit cards? Let's address the issue with cards like Credit One and First Premier. While they might seem like quick solutions, they come with significant drawbacks, including high annual fees and low credit limits. These cards can damage your credit more than they help. If you close one of these accounts, you risk losing valuable credit history, which can hurt your credit score. When you close an account, you lose the available credit, which negatively affects your utilization ratio, and you also lose the age of that account, which can hurt your credit score. Footnote: this section explains why you should avoid cards with annual fees and low limits, as they can harm your credit in the long run. 3. Capital One Platinum Credit Card, ideal for rebuilding. The Capital One Platinum Credit Card is a solid option for those looking to rebuild their credit. It's one of the most trusted cards for individuals with bad or fair credit. You don't need a high credit score to get approved, and once you're in, you can use it to make everyday purchases. Capital One is one of the few banks that allows you to rebuild your relationship with them after a charge-off. This is crucial because it means that if you mess up and fall behind, they'll still let you come back and continue rebuilding. Once you're approved, be sure to use the card responsibly by paying off your balance every month, which will help improve your credit score. Footnote: this section highlights the Capital One Platinum Credit Card as a good option for rebuilding credit without high fees, and with the flexibility to rebuild a relationship with the bank. 4. Understanding how Capital One works for credit rebuilding. Capital One is one of the largest subprime lenders in the U.S., offering not only credit cards but also auto loans. Once you start with the Platinum Card, your relationship with Capital One becomes crucial. If you use this card properly, Capital One will likely offer you the chance to upgrade to a higher limit, non-secured card. The key to success is using the card wisely, making regular purchases and paying the balance off in full every month. Capital One offers an upgrade path to better cards, such as the Saver One Cash Rewards Card or the Venture X Rewards Card, which offer more benefits and rewards. Footnote: this section outlines how using the Capital One Platinum Credit Card can help you qualify for upgrades to better credit cards with higher limits and rewards. 5. Cred AI Credit Card, the no-hassle option for beginners. The Cred AI Credit Card is one of the most groundbreaking cards for beginners. It allows you to rebuild your credit with no hard inquiry, no fees, and no interest. This card is ideal for those who are wary of accumulating debt because you can only spend what you load onto the card. For example, if you load $100, that's all you can spend, so you can't overspend and get into debt. Additionally, it reports a $1,500 credit limit to all 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This card is FDIC insured and has access to over 55,000 free ATMs, making it a great option for those just getting started with credit rebuilding. Footnote: this section introduces the Cred AI Credit Card, which offers a hassle-free, no-fee way to rebuild credit while avoiding debt. 6. The key benefits of the Cred AI Card. The Cred AI Credit Card is perfect for anyone who's just starting out in the world of credit, as it doesn't come with the usual pitfalls like fees and high interest. The most notable feature is its ability to report your spending habits as if it were a standard credit card, even though it's a secured card. This way, you can begin rebuilding your credit score without any risk of falling into debt. It also offers 24/7 human customer support, a rarity in today's credit card world, and it comes with a massive network of ATMs where you can withdraw cash for free. Footnote: this section highlights the Cred AI credit card's ease of use, customer support, and reporting to credit bureaus, making it a great tool for rebuilding credit. 7. How to make the most of your new credit card. To maximize your chances of credit rebuilding success, make sure you're using your new credit cards wisely. Pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges, and avoid maxing out your credit limit. Make regular, small purchases to show that you're a responsible borrower. Over time, your credit score will rise as your credit report shows positive payment history. Additionally, check your credit report regularly to track your progress. Footnote: this section emphasizes the importance of responsible credit card use to effectively rebuild your credit.